Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can create an event on your Wix website. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're gonna find the option to create a new folder, and then here you can create a new site. Right here, you're gonna find the list that includes all of the sites that you created on Wix. So right now, go to the site which you want to have the event on it. So I'm going to go to this one, hover your mouse over it, and then click on select and edit site. Once you do that, just wait for your dashboard to load, and then you're going to be right here. Once here, in the left, you're going to find all of these sections, and then here in the bottom, you're going to find edit site. Click on edit site, and then you will be directed to this page, which is going to be the editor for your Wix site. So just wait for the editor to load, and then this is how it will look like. So right now, once you're here, in the left, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to customize your site, such as the tool to add an element. So by this tool, you can add a text, image, button, and so on. Right here, you're going to find the option to add sections. Then you're going to find pages and menus, site design, apps. Right here, you're going to find my business, media, CMS, and lastly, marketing and SEO. So right now, we're going to click on add apps. And then here in the app market, go ahead and search for event. Once you do that, go ahead and hit enter. And then right here, you're going to find all of these applications. So here, as you can see, guys, you can add an event calendar. Right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find a lot of applications that will help you organize your event. So for example, I'm going to add this application, which is events calendar. Click on it. And then once you're here in the application page, go ahead and click on add site. Click on agree and add, and then just wait for it until it finishes loading. And as you can see, guys, now the calendar has loaded. So basically, you can mark your event here in this calendar and display it on your website. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.